Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enter promo code on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select your location. Make sure to select the correct location, and then it will take you to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button. Once you have your account, click on the login button, and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you have entered your account details, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you do so, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you're on your account, to redeem your promo code, all you have to do is click on this deposit button. Then it will take you to another page where you can find the redeem code option. In that box, you'll have to enter your 12-digit code and then press on the redeem button. Once you do so, the promo code will be applied. Then you can use that promo code while placing a bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.